Jennifer Figueroa Rodriguez. I'm going to be presenting Project Week number 3 for the class Advanced Structural Mechanics, where we're going to have to define a scalar field, a vector field, and a tensor field on our 3D body that we did last week. So my composite body has 2 cones and 2 1/8 of a sphere. Last week we used this body parameterization to define those bodies. I just wanted to show at least 2 of my bodies, 1 cone and one sphere and 1 cone. So this is the code of my lab that I use to define scalar, vector, and tensor fields on my whole body. This right here is the scalar field, the vector field, and the tensor field. So once you run the program, you're gonna get at least 5 figures. One is going to be the tensor field, another one is going to be the vector field as a displacement, and the other one is only going to be the vector field. You're also going to get a plot parameterization of the original body, and you're also going to get a scalar field, as you can see. There's also a code needed for some tasks that are going to show up in the command window. They're going to ask the user to enter coordinates of a point, x1, x2, and x3. And that is going to give you vector u at that point, tensor t at that point, and vector tu at that point. Once you run the program, you're going to get the figures, and you're also going to get this box where you're going to enter your coordinates, which they have to be inside the body, where the radius is 1, the length is 1, and the height is going to be 3. And you're gonna have a window that is going to show the volume of the body, which is going to be 7.9, as the same as last week. It's going to tell you the point that you chose, then it's going to tell you the vector u at that point, that is going to be this one, then it's going to tell you the tensor t at that point, and the vector tu at that point. Thank you so much for listening, and see you next week.